longest time, we want to deliver masters to people. What we would do is we would upload them, to Dropbox or WeTransfer or SoundCloud or whatever this is. And you send someone an email and say, hey, check out this master, here's the link, yada, 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 right? And then they get back to you, hey, that's cool. And then they text you later, and then they call you, and you have all this shit going on, and by next week you remember what the hell I said. So what High Note is this allows you to kind of centralize all that information in one place. And so if you log in here, let me just show you my account. It's this auto-sharing platform that allows you to centralize all your audio communication in one place through annotation tools. When you log in to this place, you run into this thing called, just a new space. What you can do here is you can upload any audio that you want to a playlist. Here, I can choose from my library, things I've already uploaded. I'll just pull something in here. Let's just say this. Cool, I could upload a track there, but I just have something in my library already. What's cool about this is I actually can have different version features. So if I wanted to add another version, just grab something here and say, yeah, this one, cool. And when this is done, it'll make a V2. I can organize them differently, rename things with the audio art. What's really cool about this, I can add attachments. So I can attach a URL of the internet, or I can attach audio, the file session, zip file, anything I want, or audio, anything I want. And it stays with this track forever. But here's the really cool parts about this. First of all, one of the really cool parts, it's free and it's unlimited storage. So if you're using WeTransfer or Dropbox or G Drive or any of that stuff right now, it's absolutely better utility for that reason alone. But the really cool aspects of this is we can annotate. So I can drop a text here and say, and then anybody that's in the space that I shared it with, will get this message. They can come back here, they can reply. I can resolve it, I can delete it. A sticker, people like the sticker for place markers. This is a really cool thing. Like the voice message, like this is like, and when I play it back, it plays back what I just left there. So we leave another voice message. So sometimes people like to communicate by seeing things or actually just communicating that way because 80% of communication is not verbal. So being able to have a voice instead of text is pretty important to that. So if I have two versions here, as you can see, I'll upload a second version. This first version I've already made comments on, so these are separate. It keeps these things separate. So when you're commenting with somebody, you can go back and forth into your mixdown, something like that. There's highnote.fm. Just go there, set up a free account, check it out. There's a little pull-down tab here because this is a beta launch. But for right now, if you see anything that you like or you want, you just hit request a feature. Like I want a volume knob right there. Don't be surprised before it shows up or something. So, if you want to look at or any of my art or anything online, it's just andrewemil.com. That's ANDREWEMIL.com. So, thanks, Foss.